why am I cutting off? I feel like it's got to be Thinkorswim because everything else is running fine, and when Thinkorswim acts up, it starts messing up everything else. Hmm. Come on, Thinkorswim, recover. Thank you. Now I can. That's another thing. Like I'm kind of scared to take a trade because that keeps happening. Like if I was to get in this to try to take a scalp and that happens and I can't see which way this volatile little bugger is going, I'm gonna get. I could get smashed. That NQ still, that curl is still happening. This is still looking like a possible head and shoulders pattern, getting closer and closer to being a possible head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, Gamble is kind of just following MJAM. Question is, see that MJAM play is so much cheaper. But I don't know. I don't know. We gotta see. We gotta see this downtrend start to break. The bottom was what 18. 18 would have been a beautiful. Yeah, it did bounce off 8. I said it wasn't. It probably wouldn't hold 18, and it did. But I don't know. I feel like I'm FOMOing a little bit on this. There's a lot of reasons why I'm getting real hesitant on taking that trade. Thinkorswim, and then this is almost FOMO-y. I mean, it's up 700%. Even MJAM is up 100%. I just don't like trading them that high. I don't know. Let me go into the hour chart. So it's got to re-break 2250 if it's going to rip. JAM is still having a hard time recovering that $2 area. It's kind of getting rejected there. NASDAQ close to giving up 1250. It is right. It's testing. I feel if the NASDAQ gives up here, then we're going to see all these plays just dump. NASDAQ's holding 1250. Let's see, we got 7 minutes on this candle. 20 looks like it's trying to hold. See if 20 can reclaim some support. If I take a trade on this, it's going to be a quick one. This is going to be in and out. So I'm basically going to look for a bounce off of some support area. But I feel like we kind of missed it. Like H was saying, that was a $4 move there. See, MJAM all the way back down to the trend line. So we got a downtrend for that to break over. It's going to continue up that trend line. Pally's still riding. Pally's still riding. So if that trend line cracks, though, this thing could drop another $2-3 easily, like quick. Not like a short drop, like a quick drop. As fast as this thing went up is as fast as it can go down. Just watching to see if we're going to reclaim $20 here. May take that quick scalp. I really don't. We'll see. This thing does have a lot of volume. $19.50 trying to hold up there. It's not ready yet. I'm just looking forward to claim that 20. And it did reclaim that 20, but I'm going to miss it because my fidelity, well, maybe not. It's giving me a chance here to... What is going on? If it doesn't, so I just grabbed 5 shares of this nonsense at $20 here. And we'll see if it gets this bounce. Stop loss is 19. I'll give it $1 on 5 shares, just because I ain't feeling great about it. 20 is trying to hold. I'm gonna see if we can hold that 20. Let me see what my entry was. Yeah, my entry was 20.09. So I got a pretty decent entry if 20 can hold here. Yeah, I know, whatever. Whoops. Wrong thing. Did not mean to click that. Yeah, no, I don't know what's happening to the stream and stuff. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, yesterday it was all good when we did the Dow show. Just trying to get fidelity over here. I don't know why I cannot grab fidelity. Thank you. Grabbing all the wrong stuff here. Let me lock this main screen in. Alright, but yeah, you can see right there, 20.09, 5 shares. So I am in this play looking to see if 20 is going to hold for a bounce. If this trend line is going to hold. Dollar stop loss. I'm risking $5 on this. As much risk as I want to risk. We are getting into lunchtime too, so volume's kind of slowing down. We did reclaim 20 again, up to 2015 on the bid. We got 30 seconds on this 15-minute candle. On this next 15-minute candle open, we want to see that thing start going green. If it does not go green, then that means our trend line is about to crack. So we want to see this trend line confirmed. So opening this next candle, we want to see green here. Bids up to 2035, bids up to 2058. Let's see if it can get it. Oof, got rejected again. New candle's about to open. There it is. We opened up kind of high. If we start going green, we may get another bounce. If we do not start going green, it may get a little sketch. We need to see 2050 break. That's where we just got rejected at. 2050 break and we're good to go. You call dump to 15, Hal? I mean, it still could easily. I haven't got my finger on the trigger right now, on the sell order trigger. Because if it gives up, it's going to give up. And I would say, like I was saying earlier, and like you're saying now, 15 to 17, that area looks like the real support area. I'm just going off of a quick pop here. There go. We just claimed 2050. I'm up about $2.35. Give me a nice little shoot up, a quick shoot up. That's all I want. Just a shoot up to about 25. $5 on 5 shares would be 25 bucks. I'd take it. It'd be a nice easy day. Just one quick shoot up. I might even take it at 23. Come on, MSGM. Show me the frisk. Give me some short frisk. Give me some short frisk up to 21. Let's see. We gonna start whopping here? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's get that 21 break. Ain't no shooting gonna happen. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. We gotta get that 21 break. I'm comfortable right now, though. I'm in at $20.09. So I'm up as is right now. I want to see this 21 break. If it doesn't break 21 soon, I may lock it out. But I think we're going to try to at least give a little shoot up there. Maybe. How's the NASDAQ? NASDAQ still pumping green. It's back up to 1275. Come on, give us this breakthrough 21. Give us some more of that volatility so I can call it a day here. Because at this point, if it starts dropping back below 2050, I'll probably just cut it and take the small win. Up, test the 21. Rejection, but we did see 21. There's 21 again, starting to break through 21. Come on, let's show me that frisk. Give me a shoot up to this two tops of these candles on the hour. 22.56. Let's see that next. Can we see 22? Can we get some buying volume to pop this thing around? Oop, whoop. All over the place. We hit 2050. I said I ain't gonna hold this thing if it ain't gonna cooperate. Needs to break back over 21 real quick like. That was a rejection off of 21. Still getting rejected. Come on. Come on. 2075 is trying to hold us some support. Ask getting back up to that 21. There we go. We got a bid back up to 2085. We were sitting on that 2075. A little too hard for me for a minute. Get over 21. If we don't break 21 soon, we are coming back down. It's too much selling pressure to be at $21. Because on a longer time period right now, I'm taking it. I'm not gonna. I'm out. I'm out. What did I think I made $1. I think that's all I made. It was $1. Let me pull this up and see, because I just got out as soon as it cracked that 2050. Like I said, I'm not going to take a red trade when I was in the green. So let's see. Whoops. I actually haven't looked at this, so let's see. These are all my trades so far I've took on this fidelity count. I have not took a red trade yet this year. Look at that. I know I'm not trading with a lot, but let's see. MSGM made $1.39 on it on 5 shares. It was sketchy. So yeah, I was able to get out at 2036 with the entry at 2009, but you know, 4 for 4 so far. Took 4 trades in the stock market in January, and I'm 4 trades in the green. 100%. Well, what's going on over here? 100% win rate right now for January on 4 trades. 4 tiny little trades. It may still try to rip, but like I said, it's up 700%. I took my shot on it. I'm good. Going about my day. Let me see what else is going on here. HHID, put my P&L against yours, made 20. Whoa. What's going on over here? Sober. What's happening with Sober? Sober was that play that was up. Let me catch up with the comments here. We got a lot going on. I'm gonna put Sober over on the watch list. I looked at it earlier, but I didn't like it. Oh yeah, that did pretty nice. Nice uptrend. Nice bounce off of the trend line up to $1.67. Yeah, that's a nice play there. I didn't like the way it looked earlier. I think when I saw it earlier, it was like right through here. But it did catch that uptrend and kept ripping. There's the push up to 21 back on this thing. Oh, Pally's still creeping. Look at that. Pally bounce off of that trend line again. I'm going to adjust my trend line a little bit here. Beautiful. Just a little adjusting. I still like Pally for a possible swing. Alright, so we're at an hour and a half, and I got to get to some works. Close out Fidelity here. Let me see what's going on in the rest of these chats, in this comment. Right, trying to make pennies of dollars. Dollar range, stock quick 75-cent wins. Why you jump on H so hard for? I don't know what's going on there, but you guys can work that out. Gold just broke up over. Let me do a quick little look at all the markets again. Gold breaking up over 1945, trying to test 1950 soon, coming off of that U shape. MSGM is over 21 now, back over 21. I just do not have the confidence to stay in it. Sober getting that rejection, but still could come back down It looks like it may try to come back down for another test of 150. And if 150 support holds, then it may could get a bounce. MJAM is right on that possible trend line. No, MSG, I'm still not able to hold that 21, and it's so sketchy. It's such a sketchy play. I'm glad I'm out of it. I feel much better being out of it. NQ still could be a head and shoulders. It's still very sketchy looking. And then let's pop over to some cryptos. Let's see, you and Brian getting out the punching bags. Oh, yeah, I see what y'all are saying now. I see what the debate is about. This is an age-old trader debate. Is it better to trade the stocks that can rip 10 cents when you've got a hold, when you got, you're trading 20,000 shares, something like that? Or is it better to trade a stock that is $20 that you can't get as many shares but could possibly rip more dollars? And in the end, does it really matter? The bottom line is, are you profiting? Are you in the green? And if you're in the green, then who cares? That's all that matters, right? The bottom line is, we want to be in the green. Doesn't matter how that you build. Let me see. Let me think of a good metaphor. All right, here's the perfect metaphor, right? We all have our different ways that we procreate, right? But we're all going to reach the same end goal, or at least attempting to reach the same end goal. Doesn't matter how you get to the end of the procreation, whether it be by yourself or with anybody else, or how you do it. As long as you get there, that's what matters. And on that note, guys, I'm going to call it a day. We'll be back Thursday for another live stream here for the Stock Market channel. I am back. I'm going to keep on trading this stock market, especially while it's hot right now. We got some hot rippers in the low floats. Crypto markets, it's been hot as well. Seemingly seems sounds like a lot of crazy talk. It seems the feds are reversing course. Seems like we got a whole lot of nonsense going on with the WEF. But you can catch me Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Saturdays, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern on Entra or the DLA Dow YouTube or Twitter with the DLA Dow Show. Catch me here Tuesdays and Thursdays, usually around 11 a.m. Eastern for some live trading, and then soon I'll be back doing some live trading and gaming and stuff on the Framework Fortune Crypto channel. If you haven't yet, go check out DLADAO.org, especially if you are into gaming. That is DLADAO.org, and see what we've been cooking up here in the Framework Fortune Media Network over in the Web3 gaming space. Other than that, you guys have a great rest of your day. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit, do all the things, share, tweet, retweet, all them things. Do them all. Do all the things. All the things. I bid you adieu.